Hi, welcome back. So let's start by dragging down the text title, then reducing it to 3 seconds. Click, then go to Advanced to edit the text by typing your word 3 times repeatedly. Move the words to the center, then increase its size to 100, line space to -18, text gap to 4, then change font style to impact as shown. Afterward, apply. Now right-click to copy and paste above, then right again to apply compound, click to both as shown. Further hide the second track. Click the first compound clip, then go up to Basic and scroll down to reduce its opacity to 20 as shown. Now unhide the second track. Click then go to Mask to apply parallel mask as shown. Further scroll down to reduce the width by typing 7.16. Also type -268 in position X to position the mask on the first letter. Now go to Basic, apply keyframe to transform, then type 493 in position Y so that the mask would move to the top, then move the playhead to 2 seconds and apply keyframe to transform, then restore position back to 0, then preview. Right-click to copy and paste above. Now click, then go to Mask to type -156 in position X to reposition the mask to the second letter, then type 5.68 in width to adjust its size. Further go to Basic to type -497 in position Y to adjust the text to bottom as shown, then preview. Also, you will notice that animation is now from -497 to 0, from bottom to center. Again, right-click to copy and paste above for the third letter. Click then go to Mask to type -46 in position X to adjust the mask to the third letter, then go to Width to type 7 to resize the mask for the letter to fit. Now go to Basic to type 605 in position Y to reposition the letter differently to the top as shown, then it animate from top to the center. Again, copy and paste above. Click then go to Mask to type 50.30 in position X and type -169 in position Y to adjust the mask to the fourth letter, then type 5 in the width for size of the mask. Now go to Basic, then type -573 to position Y to position the animation from bottom to top. Again, copy and paste above. Click then go to Mask to type 142.30 in position X to adjust the mask to the next letter, and type 7 in width to resize the mask as shown. Go to Basic, then type 556 in position Y to reposition the letter to top differently. Again, copy and paste above. Click then go to Mask to type 264.30 in position X to move the mask to the last letter, then leave width at 7 for the size as shown. Now go to Basic to type -535 in position Y to animate the letter from bottom to top, then preview. Further scroll down, then highlight the text from the second track to the last track. Then right-click to apply compound clip as shown. Now click the compound clip, then go to Mask to apply parallel line mask and go to Rotation to type 90 to focus on the middle text. Adjust the width as shown. Then for proper adjustment, you type -5 in position Y, then preview. Now hide the first compound clip layer and preview. Done, but you can also add effect to it. So go to Effect, under Flicker, search for Color Slice, then drag down and reduce to match and preview. You can also go back to Effect, search and drag down Negative Flicker Effect, and reduce then preview as shown. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. Please do subscribe and leave a like. Also, the video template is in the description. Have a lovely day.